Do you know, I used to live in Leeds, and I lived in Leeds for 4 years, not far from where we shot actually. And so I'd spent a lot of my mid-20s living in that area as it developed. And the area that we're talking about is down by the river. So there's a variety of the old and the new buildings. I knew that, and I knew there'd be an element of being able to see glass and water and slightly different textures. What I wasn't really anticipating was that within the space of, we probably walked for no more than 5 or 10 minutes between places that we shot, there was just so much variety that you managed to bring into those shots. And I think, what did we have? Maybe 3 or 4 different shirts, and I had a jacket so you could position me as if I was delivering a talk. That all went really well. And in the space, what just blew me away was in the space of a 2-hour shoot, you managed to get so many different and varied and really diverse type shots that even as we sit here, are we now 18 months later on from the shoot?
It will be.
I'm still using those shots that you took in so many different ways with a lot of variety. When I'm showing up in social media, one of your shots is on the cover, the back cover of my book. I'm just using it, and it's still got this life 18 months later, and it's brilliant just from a 2-hour shoot.